Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So our group choose the title about online shopping addiction among mathematics students in UPSI. The problem statement of our study is the upward trend in online shopping indicates that addictive behavior has dramatically increased in this field. Consumers who shop online may think they are not truly spending money, which could lead to many becoming compulsive shoppers. This is our group members: Nur Syami binti Rosli, Nur Farhana binti Ibrahim, Nur Izzati binti Mustafa, and Nurul Najwani binti Mustafa. So our study have 4 objectives. First, to identify the amount spent of online shopping in a month among FSM students. Second, to determine the difference amount spent of online shopping in a month between male and female. Third, to compare the online shopping addiction tendency among faculty science mathematics students from different programs. And fourth, to investigate the relationship between online shopping addiction tendency and ages of faculty science mathematics students.
In this study, our population from Faculty Science Mathematics students in UPSI. For sample, there are 60 students, 20 students from 8048, 20 students from 8016, and 20 students from 8014. Our instrument in this study is questionnaire. We collect data by using Google Form. There are lists of questions in the Google Form. The questions about their gender, programs, age, and how many times they buy using online platform in a month.
Objective 1. A survey has been conducted to identify amount spent of online shopping addiction in a month among FSM students. At the 0.05 level of significance is the online shopping addiction among FSM students. So, based on the objective 1, we can get the hypothesis. Non-hypothesis is equal to median less than equal to 3. Well, an alternative hypothesis equal to median greater than 3. Alpha equal to 0.05. The picture shows the sign test result. Before to find test statistic, we need to know critical value. The critical value of the objective 1 is equal to 1.645 according to the normal table distribution. To find the test statistic, we need to know a few information, which are S equal to total number positive sign. The total number positive sign is equal to 18, and total number positive and negative sign equal to 52. To find the test statistic, we need to use the formula, which is Z equal to upper bracket x plus 0.5 close bracket minus 0.5 times n per 0.5 times n. We need to substitute the value of x and value of n, and we get the answer negative 2.0801. From the test statistic, we can make the decision, which are the value of Z equal to negative 2.0801 less than the value of alpha, which equal to 0.05. So, the decision is fair to reject the non-hypothesis. Conclusion for the objective 1 is there is no enough evidence to say that online shopping addiction among FSM students.
Objektif yang kedua adalah to determine the different amount spent of online shopping in a month between male and female. Sini adalah data-data yang kami peroleh untuk bilangan lelaki dan juga perempuan. Di sini adalah jalan penyelesaian untuk objektif yang kedua. Langkah pertama adalah hypothesis. H null adalah distribution of two population are equal dan H alternative adalah distribution of two population are not equal. Population untuk male sebanyak 15 orang dan population untuk female sebanyak 45 orang. Langkah kedua adalah test statistik. Nilai rank untuk population male adalah 320 dan nilai untuk population female adalah 1510. Nilai untuk U1 adalah 475 dan nilai untuk U2 adalah sebanyak 200. Untuk mendapatkan nilai Z-test, kami menggunakan small samples dan formula berikut dan mendapat nilai sebanyak 2.35. Seterusnya adalah untuk mencari nilai P. Berdasarkan standard normal table, nilai bagi Z adalah 0.0094. Seterusnya adalah division. Since Z-test equal to 2.35 more than value of Z, that is 0.0094, and falls in the non-rejection region, therefore do not reject H null at 0.05. In conclusion, there is not enough evidence that there is a different amount spent of online shopping in a month between male and female.
For objective 3, we want to compare the online shopping addiction tendency between 3 different program students in Faculty Science Mathematics, which are 8048, 8014 and 8016. 20 samples for each program are taken. We measure tendency by collect data on how many times they spend on online shopping in a month. The result has been shown in table. Okay, the table show that 0 until 5. 0 indicate they not spend. 5 indicate they spend more than 4 times. The question is at the 0.0 level of significance, is there a difference in the distribution of online shopping tendency between programs? Okay, we use Kruskal H test to solve this problem. First, hypothesis. Our H null is the probability distributions are identical. H alternative, at least 2 of the probability distributions differ. Then we want to find critical value. Our alpha is 0.05. Degree of freedom equal to P minus 1. We will get 2. P is the number of category, which is 8048, 8016 and 8014. Okay, from chi-square table and the information that we get just now, we will get the critical value equal to 5.991. Okay, from the graph, we plot the critical value and the rejection region. Okay, then we want to find test statistic. The first line is the formula. Okay, n equal to 60, which is our sample. Okay, after that we compute the value in that formula into that formula. Okay, then we will get the test statistic value equal to 2.637. Okay, for we make decision. Okay, we make decision and we decide that we cannot reject H null since test statistic equal to 2.637. less than critical value equal to 5.991. It does not fall in the rejection region. Okay, so we can conclude that there is enough evidence to say that the population distribution are identical.
Okay, let's continue with objective 4 that use Spearman correlation. A survey has been conducted to investigate the relationship between online shopping addiction tendency and ages of faculty science mathematics students. 20 samples of each program are taken. The result has been shown in the table. At the 0.05 level of significance, is that the relationship between online shopping addiction tendency and ages of faculty science mathematics students? So this is the table about Spearman correlation test. The tables contain ages and online shopping tendency. First, for R1, we rank about ages. And for R2, we rank about online shopping tendency. And the value of D, which is R1 minus R2. And then D square, we square the value of D. Okay, next, for the step 1, we state the hypothesis, which is null hypothesis, rho equal to 0, alternative hypothesis, rho greater than 0. For step 2, to find the test statistic, Rs equal to 1 minus 6 summation of D square over n in bracket n square minus 1. And we got the test statistic equal to 0.3062. For the step 3, we find the critical value. So, for R60, 0.05 equal to 0.214. This we got from the Spearman's table. Okay, for the step 4, the decisions, since the statistic is more than rejection level, which is 0.3062 greater than 0.214, therefore we reject the null hypothesis. And for step 5, the conclusion, there is not enough evidence to say that there is correlation between online shopping addiction tendency and ages among faculty science mathematics students.
Conclusion. Based on the result, we conclude that among frequency of online shopping addiction in a month among students of Faculty Science and Mathematics FSM in Sultan Idris Education University UPSI is less than 3 using science test. In addition, we found that the frequency of spent online shopping among male and female students of FSM in UPSI are equal using Mann-Whitney test. Next, for the Kruskal-Wallis H test, we get the online shopping addiction tendency between 3 different program students in Faculty Science Mathematics, which are 8048, 8014 and 8016 are identical. Lastly, using Spearman correlation test method, the result is there is no correlation between online shopping addiction tendency and age among Faculty Science Mathematics students.